Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another exciting video for you guys. This is my Tinashe hair loose deep wave wig that I made a long time ago. I made this wig when I first started making wigs. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform an old crusty dusty wig into something that you can finesse. And I think this really came out good. I'll have the before picture over here. You guys can see where we started and here we are. Here we are. It looks so much better now, and I actually can like use this wig because it really was out of commission because I just could not make it look good. Because I'm going to show you guys how I cut the bangs, how I cut this hair, how I styled it, all of that good stuff. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so if you wear wigs, you probably know what I'm talking about. Everybody has those wigs that just aren't good anymore, that you can't make look right. It might not have been made properly, the hair kind of went to poop and you don't know what to do with it. That is this wig, okay? And so this hair is from Tinashe hair. I have a couple videos up on this hair. The unit is just not the best, so I'm not gonna blame it all on the hair, though the hair does have some issues. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna cut this wig. I'm gonna put some bangs in it and maybe give you like some scissor vibes. I don't know, but we gotta make this wig worth something, okay? So I'm just gonna put it on. Okay. So this is what we're working with. We need to make this look wearable because right now it's not doing it for me. It's so knotty in the frontal, so be careful if you're gonna get a frontal from this company. They're kind of hard to manipulate. Right now I'm gonna try to section out a bang area, and ugh, this hair, I'm telling you guys, it's so hard to, and even when you wet it, it's like you can't even do anything with it. So I'm just gonna section out this front piece so that I can at least see what's going on. And then I section out the bang. As you guys can see, it is really difficult to comb through this frontal. I don't know why. I don't know what I did to make this be this way. So I did that, and now I'm just gonna section off the rest of the hair to the back. So now this is the amount of hair we have to work with. I'm not a hairstylist, so please don't copy me, but I'm just gonna make my first cut here and then just cut it upwards so that I don't get too blunt of a cut. You feel me? And we're gonna keep doing that until we get higher. So I'm gonna make another cut here, and then I'm gonna hold it like this and go upwards again. Okay, so this is where we are right now. It's still pretty long, but I'm gonna wet them just so I can see. I'm gonna wet the bangs to see if I can get them to wave up and if it'll look a little shorter. So clearly the hair isn't waving up, you know, it's not gonna curl. Trying to kind of scrunch it. I'm most likely gonna have to go in and put some curls because I'm gonna let the bang air dry and I will be right back to style the rest of this wig. All right, so I'm gonna use this curling iron to style this hair while the bang is kind of drying. I'm just gonna brush through it. So this is the natural pattern of the hair. As you guys can see, it just looks dry. So I just go in and I'm gonna put these really tight wand curls all throughout the hair.
So tonight you should go and take a chance where she could be everything you wanted, everything you
wanted. Okay, so the hair is finally curled and I'm not really feeling how it looks. I'm gonna cut some of this length off as well because it's a little long. We don't need all of she. Much better. As you guys can see, this side looks much better than the other side. All right, I think we're reaching a place where I can enjoy it. I'm just gonna fluff it a little so that it doesn't look so put together. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm done playing around with the hair. I cut it a bunch of times. I curled the bangs over 1,000,001 times, and the bangs are just not hitting for me. They're not curling, and I think it's really because the frontal went to shit after I bleached it, and it just never was the same. Like, the hair on the frontal behaves differently than the hair in the bundles, as you guys can see. But I think I finessed it. I finessed it, right? I think I finessed it. It still looks really good, but you know, it could look better, and I'm gonna keep playing around with it. But I just wanted to show you guys that if you have a wig that you don't like, or that's really old, or hair that's really old, you can always save it and turn it into another look completely. I use all my old hair and turn it into buns, turn it into ponytails, cut wigs into bobs. I bleach them, I color them, because if you spend your hard-earned money on something and the quality deteriorates, you have to figure out how to flip it and turn it into something you can use. So I did that in this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know you guys love the hair styling, the hair tutorials, the hair type videos, so I wanted to bring this to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, and you'll never miss a day. And when you're finished, make sure you comment down below #notificationgang so that I can shout you out in my next video. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.